Hey everybody, Mr. Hartzler here, and I want to show you in this video how I make random groups using Google Sheets. So I start off with my list of names, and I need to give them a random number, and I do that by hitting equals, RAND for random, start parentheses, and then end parentheses. And that's going to provide me with a random number between 0 and 1. I want to copy that all the way down. Then I press Control D to paste them there. Then, if you notice too, as I was doing that, every time I type something in anywhere or do something in any of these cells, it's going to give me a brand new number, and it's putting them in no particular order. Now I want to highlight all of those names and the numbers, and I'm going to sort. If you don't get the row above it, then Frank is never going to move. Now I'm going to go to my column B, that's the one that's over my random numbers, and I'm going to sort it A to Z. Sorting A to Z also sorts them numerically. You'll notice though, 0.597 is above 0.138, and it shouldn't be. Well, the reason that is it sorted it based on the previous number, and then because I did something in the cell, it gave me new numbers already. So if I keep sorting that, it's going to keep spitting out random numbers again and again, and you'll notice that these names are changing with them. Well, now I don't want to copy and paste all of these over here. I want it to do it for me. So I go over to my pink group, and I'm going to have blue, green, and orange. But in the pink group, equals, and I want to pull out the cell A2. I want it to pull Bob over here, and it even gives me a little window. Hey, this is going to be Bob. Press Enter, and it pulls Bob over. I now want to do that for all of them. A3, and then I'm going to come over to D3, that blue group, and it's going to be equal
A4 now, then equal A5, and then green group equals A6, equal A7, orange group equal A8, and equal A9.
Now it put all of them in groups, but let's say that this is only first quarter and I want to change that. Well, I can just hit this random number generator up again, have it sort it for me, A to Z, and you'll notice that since the names are following these, and I told it which cell to pull from instead of the actual name itself, well, I can keep sorting and it's going to keep giving me new names. That's the exciting thing about this. So I can do new groups every project I do, or every quarter, or whatever, and it's not going to take me any more time. Now, I'll sometimes do this completely random, so I'll just sort it once, call it good, and there are some times where I will sort a couple of times to try and be a little bit more strategic about it. So that's something to think about as you move forward in your making of groups. And I have done this too, where I'll have an extra column in here. I'll have to change that to the pink color, wrong pink color. And I'll merge those cells. I'll say this is group 1, and then I will center it in both directions. And I usually put a little dummy space here. And I would do something like this to help identify, alright, this is group 1, and then I would put group 2, and so on. This is a decent way to sort all of this out. It becomes pretty nice. Students are able to have new partners pretty regularly. That's how I organize my groups. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video, and if you want to see more of what's going on or get updates when I post videos, please subscribe and turn your notifications on. Have a great day everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the video.